Welcome home, healthy, organic, and easy by Michelle. Today's topic is Korean grocery shopping for healthy cooking. Let's go shopping together. Let's check the flying mix flour first. This is used for cooking fried foods. Here are the nutritional facts. I use this because it has no sugar. Here are some nutritional facts for others, so you can see the sugar levels. Therefore, this product has earned the Welcome Home Top Choice pick. This pancake mix is in the same aisle as the flying mix flour. This is used for cooking Korean pancakes. Here are nutritional facts. I use this because it's the only organic one and it has very low sugar. Here are some nutritional facts for others, so you can see the sugar levels. Next, Korean rice syrup. There are so many types of syrups there. Rice syrup is used to make food sweeter, so you can use it instead of sugar. Here are the nutritional facts. I chose this because it has the lowest sugar level. Here are some nutritional facts for others, so you can see the other sugar levels. Oh my god, this one has too much sugar in it. Therefore, this product has earned the Welcome Home Top Choice pick. Actually, a really healthy way to sweeten your cooking is with organic onions and pears, which I always use. Next up is Korean red pepper paste. This is used in many Korean foods and dishes. Here are the nutritional facts. I use this because it has only 2 grams of sugar per serving. Here are some nutritional facts for others, so you can see the sugar levels. Therefore, this product has earned the Welcome Home Top Choice pick. Next, my favorite soy sauce. Here are the nutritional facts. I use this because it has no sugar. Here are some nutritional facts for others, so you can see the sugar levels. Therefore, my favorite product has earned the Welcome Home Top Choice pick. Next up is Korean Soy Bean Paste. This is used in many types of Korean soups. Here are the nutritional facts. I use this because it has no sugar. Here are some nutritional facts for others, so you can see the sugar levels. Therefore, this product has earned the Welcome Home Top Choice pick. Next up is Korean red pepper powder. There are so many different types of red pepper powder. Some are cheap. Some are more expensive. I like this one the best because pepper color looks so good and the taste is the best. Next up is parallel oil and sesame oil. These oils are used in many Korean side dishes and super flavor. There are so many options to choose from. This is the one I prefer because it smells so good and you don't have to use a lot each time. Oh no! My favorite sesame oil is gone. But here is a photo for you. Last one is roasted sesame seeds. I use sesame seeds to add additional flavor to my dishes. I chose these because it's very fresh and smells so good and tastes good too. Therefore, this product has earned the Welcome Home Top Choice pick. Thank you for shopping with me. Now, let's go home and cook.